So here we are. We finally got the oil, the filters, the hydraulic filters, fuel filters. So we will be, I already greased it up and I'll be changing the filters, the fluids. I don't think I'll change the hydraulic fluid just because it did have a slow leak that I fixed and it was super low and I filled it back up. So pretty much, you know, it has brand new hydraulic oil in it. So like I said, let's get to it. Like I said, this stuff finally came in. Here's a relay to it. Here's some more relays, some grease zerks. I got the oil filter, fuel filter, air filter, hydraulic filter, and then I found this dust cap because you can see this one. I don't know, I guess there just wasn't one on there anymore, but it'll just go on there. Just like that. So I'm telling the last time this thing's been taken off. I guess we're gonna find out together. I think I broke it loose. Yes, we did. Okay, nothing's coming out. Yes, it is now. All right, here's a new filter. Let's see what this old one looks like. Oh yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that. Yep. Alright, she's on there. Good to go. I don't know if I was recording or not, and I changed the oil filter. It's backwards, but I wrote it before I put it on there, but you kind of put the date and then the hours it was changed. Here's the old filter right here. So she's tightened up, snugged up, and ready to go. Time to get this fuel filter. If I can. Let's get this rag in there. There's the old one. Fuel filter done. Missing the bolt there. Oh my God. We're all done here. Hopefully I'll have more projects here and there. Like I said, I built this and I moved this shed, and I'll be getting some more equipment, and hopefully you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate everybody that's subscribed to the channel. It really means a lot. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos.